worry, 'cause I'm the one that's always come to you. You can't take me serious, and I don't think that'll do. But technically it's killing me on account of my infidelity. But don't you stare to what she said. Well, now she's gone.